Biggam joins us now for the Trader Rundown. He is with Delta Derivatives, and we are watching the VIX, which dropped to the 11 handle this week. What is it telling you?
The one thing it's absolutely telling us is option prices have become a lot cheaper here. Some look at it as the fear gauge, but it's more, I think, comfort by companies who are doing big stock buybacks here. So a lot of these companies putting a floor in their own stock. There'll be buyers on dips here. I think the market's reacting to that, hence the VIX below 12.
And yet there's some underlying chatter that the VIX could see a big move.
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe in the not so distant future at some point.
Yeah, and we're coming up towards a seasonally kind of tough time of the year here with July and August. So I'm actually laying in some out of the money strangles here, buying volatility, positioning for a move, like the fact it's the cheapest it's been in a very long time, really pre-February. So just looking at some point maybe to have that bad hair day. We've been kind of straight up grinding higher here. Markets always change, just looking for it to happen.
That is the tendency. When the VIX is lower, the stock market tends to go up, but when the VIX is up, the stock market tends to go down. Let's talk about Tesla quickly. We've been talking about this stock all week. It's just getting so much play in options and trader world.
Yeah, absolutely. We saw, a huge move over the past couple of days here. A lot of it, I think, due to short covering, especially once it breached that 300 level. Had a note out by Morgan Stanley basically saying, fool me once, shame on me, fool me twice. So they're taking a bearish stance. I'm doing the same thing. I'm selling out of the money call spreads, be positioned to be a seller around the 340 mark out in July, buying the 345 calls as protection. Just think the rally's overdone here.
And then there are those other hot stocks, Apple and Amazon. Let's start with Apple.
Yeah, and looking here, Apple's approaching that magical $1 trillion mark, about 197.50. You'll get it there. I'm positioning above there again, selling call spreads out in July. 200 strike hedging with the 205s. Be a willing seller on Apple above, that $1 trillion mark. Plus, Apple's had a heck of a run here as well. Not really looking for a major pullback. Just a stall out will do the trick here.
Amazon, another big winner in the market.
Yeah, absolutely. Same kind of idea there. Amazon went above 1,700, pulled back below there after 9 straight up days. Like that price action. So again, out in July, out of the money call spreads, 1750 selling, buying the 1760s. Plus the skew in options normally puts trade at a more expensive price, a higher IV than calls because of all the euphoria. That's kind of reversed here. As a contrarian, I like to sell into that.
Thanks so much, Jeff, for coming on the show. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.